What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Backyard Built. On this video, I'm going to be pulling apart the yellow 300 and we're going to be finding out what's making noise in the motor. So right now I'm just draining the coolant and just pulling apart all the small hard lines and all the piping, and then I'll get to the wiring. Still got to get under it, pull out the drive shaft and all that fun stuff, but I figured I'd start at the top here. So yeah, stay tuned, boys. Now there's still quite a bit to go, just a bunch of little things with the coolant hoses in the back here. Those are always fun. Bunch of lines. This AC is not going to be fun. Probably going to have to pull that out before to pull the motor. It's got lines that run all the way around the whole front of the engine bay. So that's going to be real fun, but most of the harness is off, most of the piping are off. But yeah, getting closer. Alright guys, so we got all the wiring off, all the piping off, pulled the alternator off, the power steering pump. I'm going to try and get away with leaving the AC pump on there, see how that goes. But got the exhaust off, got the drive shaft out, trans bracket, pulled the motor mount nuts off, Pulled the shift boot out and wrapped my strap around. That's all I have right now. If I wrap the strap around, looks like it'll do the job. So yeah, this will just go ahead and yank this thing out of here. Well, after a lot of tweaking and wiggling, got the V6 out. The frickin' hump on the oil pan did not want to clear that steering rack, and it was tight, let me tell you boys. Surprised I managed to get her out with the tranny on and still has the AC pump on. She's tight, but we got her out. Just redneck as hell, but we got her, boys. I'm gonna be deleting a lot of this shit that's on the back of the heads. But yeah, got the motor out. Most of the teardown is done. Just gotta clean up this engine bay and decide whether I'm gonna paint the bay or just clean it up. Looks like the paint's still in good shape and the bay is just really dirty, really grungy. I do need a motor mount. One of the motor mounts was toast. So I guess it's a good thing I pulled her out anyway. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next one.